here with Kelsey Plum, coming off that 19-point performance today, leading scorer on the team. Can you just talk to us a little bit about the balanced offensive attack that you guys had today, blowing them out the water?
I mean, I told Liz, but Liz set the tone for us inside. I mean, she established the post, and then when that happens and we're able to set up our defense, I thought we did a great job pressuring the ball, getting up in the passing lanes, making it difficult for them, and then we get out and run, and that's what we do best. And I was just able to capitalize off of, moving without the ball, my teammates finding me, so super, fun win.
Now, in terms of the outlet and transition offense,
Yeah.
you guys, you got a lot of rebounds. You made the correct outlet passes. You guys are scoring pretty fast on those transition offense. So, can you talk about that as you guys practice on this over the week?
Oh gosh, that's what we do in practice. I mean, that's what we want. Our identity is to run, play fast. Coach wants a lot of pace, and that's what we're trying to continue to establish as we go along the season. So I thought we did that tonight.
And in terms of running your sets, did you feel like you executed off the ball? Because you're not down.
I mean, first half I thought we did a good job. Second half, not so much, but I thought overall it was kind of a good start to get us back in rhythm. This league is tough. Any night, anything can happen, so super proud of everyone.
You feel more comfortable being moved a little bit off the ball and not having a point guard responsibilities? We know you can still handle both positions, but
I really like to run and get out. It's funny. It's I'm off the ball, but I do bring it up sometimes. It's just kind of whoever gets it gets the rebound because we play so fast. So whatever coach wants me to do, that's what I'm gonna do.